I reviewed 94 Go Anywhere Do Anything watches in the quality price range. 25th is the Heinrich Helicoprion. $952, 40 millimeters, 12.8 thick. On the thicker side, it does have a really cool stone dial. I like all these screws around the outside, and they lined them up. That looks good. It's looking tooly, but it's also looking sophisticated. So those are the two great tastes that should go great together for a Gada watch. It's very robust, 200 meters water resistance. Beads of Rice bracelet looks cool. It has an extension apparently. Lumen's looking good. You can dress it down to be even more utilitarian. Yeah, this is a cool one. It's definitely one worth looking at. But it does have these loud colors. If it was black, I think it'd be more versatile. Or maybe a dark gray or something. It's going to limit your options with this loud color. That's the main thing. Score of 82.